मेरे कौन है? Who are you to me? Who are you to me? आपने किताब उल्टी पकड़ रखी है। You have held the book upside down. You have held the book upside down. आपने शर्ट उल्टी पहन रखी है। You have put on the shirt inside out. You have put on the shirt inside out. काश मैं एक लड़की होता। I wish I were a girl. I wish I were a girl. काश मेरे पास पैसे होते। I wish I had money. I wish I had money. काश मैं वहां जा सकता। I wish I could go there. I wish I could go there. वो अपनी मर्जी का मालिक है। He has his own ways. He has his own ways. क्या आप जानते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? क्या आप उसे जानते हैं? Do you know him? Do you know him? क्या राम मुझे जानता है? Does Ram know me? Does Ram know me? आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? उसके पास कितने पैसे थे? How much money did he have? How much money did he have? तुम वहां क्यों जाते हो? Why do you go there? Why do you go there? तुमने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? Why did you think so? Why did you think so? ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. Don't even think so. ये करना गलत है। This is wrong to do it. This is wrong to do it. मैंने अनजाने में तुम्हारा दिल दुखाया है। I hurt you unknowingly. I hurt you unknowingly. क्या मैं कभी सीख पाऊंगा? Will I ever be able to learn? Will I ever be able to learn? क्यों नहीं? पर कैसे? Why not? But how? Why not? But how? क्या ग्रामर सीखना काफी है? Is it good enough to learn grammar? Is it good enough to learn grammar? बिल्कुल नहीं। Not at all. Not at all. ऐसा भी नहीं है। Not really. Not really. लोग कहते हैं कि मुझे इंग्लिश में सोचना होगा। People say that I will have to think in English. People say that I will have to think in English. क्या शब्दों का केवल याद कर लेना काफी है? Is it good enough to just learn vocabulary? Is it good enough to just learn vocabulary? को कोई नहीं बता सकता। Nobody can tell you. Nobody can tell you. ये लगभग असंभव है। It's almost impossible. It's almost impossible. इससे भी आपका काम नहीं चलेगा। It will not serve your purpose either. It will not serve your purpose either. तो फिर मैं क्या करूं? Then what I will do? Then what I will do? आप एक काम करिए। You do one thing. You do one thing. मैं तुमसे मिला था। I had met you. I had met you. राहुल मुझे जानता है। राहुल knows me. राहुल knows me. लोग मुझसे मिल रहे हैं। People are meeting me. People are meeting me. मैं कल तुमसे मिलूंगा। I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. हम खेल रहे थे। We were playing. We were playing. आप वहाँ क्यों गए? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? तुमने ये कितनी बार किया? How many times did you do it? How many times did you do it? मैं कल 10 बजे खेल रहा होऊंगा. I will be playing at 10 o'clock tomorrow. I will be playing at 10 o'clock tomorrow. वो मुझसे मिल चुका है. He has met me. He has met me. वो मुझसे मिला. He met me. He met me. वो मुझसे मिल चुका था. He had met me. He had met me. पापा आज शाम को आएंगे. Dad will come in the evening today. Dad will come in the evening today. तुम मेरे पास क्यों आए? Why did you come to me? Why did you come to me? मैंने उसे देखा था. I had seen him. I had seen him. वो मुझसे बात करता है. He talks to me. He talks to me. लोग ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do people think so? Why do people think so? मैं हमेशा वहां जाता हूँ. I always go there. Always go there. वो कभी कभी घर आता है. He sometimes comes my home. He sometimes comes my home. क्या तुम मुझसे मिलोगे? Will you meet me? Will you meet me? क्या वो वहां जाता है? Does he go there? Does he go there? वो किसके साथ गया? With whom did he go? With whom did he go? वो किसके लिए यहाँ आया था? For whom had he come here? For whom had he come here? आप कल किससे मिले? Whom did you met yesterday? Whom did you met yesterday? मैंने उसे कभी नहीं देखा. I never saw him. I never saw him. मैंने उसे कभी नहीं देखा था. I had never seen him. I had never seen him. वो कब तक ऑफिस में रहता है? Until when does he stay in office? Until when does he stay in office? मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did I do so? Why did I do so? बच्चे फुटबॉल कब तक खेलेंगे? Until when will the children play football? Until when will the children play the football? मैं कल अपना बर्थडे मनाऊंगा. I will celebrate my birthday tomorrow. I will celebrate my birthday tomorrow. उसने मुझसे थोड़े पैसे मांगे. He asked me for some money. He asked me for some money. वह पुलिस अफसर बन गया. He became a police officer. He became a police officer. उसने काम अपने आप किया. He did the work on his own. He did the work on his own. वह आमतौर पर घर देर से आता है. He usually comes home late. He usually comes home late. वह पिछले साल क्योटो गया था. He visited Kyoto last year. He visited Kyoto last year. उसकी राय बेकार है. His opinions are worthless. His opinions are worthless. वह कितने दिनों से बीमार है? How long has she been sick? How long has she been sick? मुझे अंग्रेजी में दिलचस्पी है. I'm interested in English. I'm interested in English. वह जो भी कहे मुझे उस पर यकीन है। I believe whatever he says. I believe whatever he says. मैं रोज 20 मील चलता हूँ। I cover 20 miles a day. I cover 20 miles a day. उसने सिगरेट पीना छोड़ने का फैसला लिया। He decided to quit smoking. He decided to quit smoking. उसकी मेरी बहन के साथ सगाई हो चुकी है। He is engaged to my sister. He is engaged to my sister. वह पिछले साल क्योटो गया था। He visited Kyoto last year. He visited Kyoto last year. तुम्हारे पास कितनी किताबें हैं? How many books do you have? How many books do you have? मैं आमतौर के मुकाबले में देर से आया। I arrived later than usual. I arrived later than usual. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या पढूं। I don't know what to study. I don't know what to study. मुझे उसके प्रस्ताव का अस्वीकार करना पड़ा। I had to decline his offer. I had to decline his offer. मैं टॉम और जॉन के बीच में बैठा। I sat between Tom and John. I sat between Tom and John. मैं पिछले महीने लंदन गया था। I was in London last month. I was in London last month. सब लोगों के लिए एक समान है। It's the same for everyone. It's the same for everyone. हमारी ट्रेन अचानक रुक गई। Our train stopped suddenly. Our train stopped suddenly. जहाँ भी रखना है रख दो। Place it wherever you like. Place it wherever you like. उसको कहानी पहले से ही पता थी। She knew the story already. She knew the story already. उसे अपना स्कूल पसंद है। She likes her school a lot. She likes her school a lot. वह टेनिस बहुत अच्छा खेलती है। She plays tennis very well. She plays tennis very well. वह अचानक से मशहूर बन गई। She suddenly became famous. She suddenly became famous. वह अपने कमरे में रो रही थी। She was crying in her room. She was crying in her room. उसने सब कुछ अपने आप किया। She did it all by herself. She did it all by herself. वह अभी तक वहां नहीं आई है। She has not come here yet. She has not come here yet. उसने तस्वीर को देखा। She looked at the picture. She looked at the picture. उसने मुझे अपनी नई गाड़ी दिखाई। She showed me her new car. She showed me her new car. स्मोक से पेड़ पौधे की मौत होती है। Smoke causes plants to die. Smoke causes plants to die. कैदी को रिहा कर दिया गया। The prisoner was released. The prisoner was released. मेरे कमरे में टीवी नहीं है। There is no TV in my room. There is no TV in my room. कोई और रास्ता भी होगा। There must be another way. There must be another way. ये सेब बहुत बड़े हैं। These are very big apples. These are very big apples. ये फिल्म देख रहे थे। They were watching a movie. They were watching a movie. उन्होंने एक दूसरे को देखा। They looked at each other. They looked at each other. यह मेज लकड़ी की बनी है. This desk is made of wood. This desk is made of wood. मेरे पापा का घर है. This is my father's house. This is my father's house. टॉम खुद को रोने से रोक न सका. Tom couldn't help but cry. Tom couldn't help but cry. यहाँ 20 परिवार बसे हुए हैं. 20 families live there. 20 families live there. हम तालाब के आसपास टहले. We walked around the pond. We walked around the pond. आपकी रक्षा करना हमारा काम है. We are here to protect you. We are here to protect you. वह कितना नसीब वाला है. What a lucky person he is. What a lucky person he is. तुम मुझसे क्या करवाना चाहते हो? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? मुझसे बात क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? मेरे लिए थोड़ी जगह बनाओगे क्या? Will you make room for me? Will you make room for me? तुम थक गए हो, है ना? You are tired, aren't you? You are tired, aren't you? तुम्हें तुरंत जाना चाहिए. You had better go at once. You had better go at once. दरवाजे पर एक आदमी दिखाई दिया. A man appeared at the door. A man appeared at the door. मुझे कल फिर आकर मिलना. Come see me again tomorrow. Come see me again tomorrow. आपके पास अपॉइंटमेंट है क्या? Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? मुझे वापस फोन करना मत भूलना. Don't fail to call me back. Don't fail to call me back. ऐसा मत बोलो. Don't say things like that. Don't say things like that.